Hello friends, before starting this video, there is one clarification. By mistake in this video, in the part of Justice Rohinton Nariman, I have mentioned that Justice Rohinton Nariman is a son of Advocate Nani Palkhiwala. I know, that's a great mistake. That's why I would like to apologize everyone. So instead of Advocate Nani Palkhiwala, there should be Advocate Fali Nariman. Justice Rohinton Nariman is a son of Fali Nariman. So kindly take this mistake into consideration as this is my first video. So just keep watching and enjoy the video. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my channel, The Kanunan. This is the booktubing channel wherein I'll be sharing with you all the reviews of various books related to law, such as the biographies and other informational material. So without wasting much time, let's begin. I am presenting before you all my very first video. This video is the review of the book Legal Eagles. This book is written by Indu Bhan. It is a compilation of short biographies of top 7 jurists in India. So the first legal eagle of this book is Advocate Harish Salve. Yes, the one who appeared in Kulbhushan Jadhav's case before ICJ. He was born on 22nd June 1956 in Nagpur. Advocate Harish Salve is one of the India's top lawyers, successful and equally charismatic. This book presents the profound memory of Advocate Harish Salve appearing in income tax case of veteran actor Dilip Kumar. It shares the memory how Advocate Salve appeared for his idol, and it was his first case, by the way. Advocate Harish Salve was doing job of accountancy with his father's chartered accountancy firm, but he later quit the job and started practicing law. The greatest source of inspiration for him was Advocate Nani Palkhiwala. The greatest quote which Advocate Salve really liked is, "Failure teaches you more in life than success does." Dealing with success is very easy. Accepting disappointments with equanimity and harnessing the energy of failure to achieve greater heights are greatest lessons in life. He was designated the senior advocate in 1992 by Delhi High Court. And what is the greatest teaching by eminent lawyer? One thing I have learned is to never be apologetic about success. I have earned it through my hard work. I haven't stood on anybody's grave to get where I have got. And the famous case of his life was Vodafone International Holdings BV versus Union of India. This case involves the issue of overseas taxation. It is one of the landmark judgments. Now, the second legal eagle is Advocate Mukul Rohatgi. He was the former Attorney General of India, and he was born on 17th August 1952 in Mumbai. He has keen interest in various sports. He completed his BCom from Hansraj College, Delhi. He got his graduation from Government Law College, Mumbai. Advocate Rohatgi followed his father's footsteps, Justice A.B. Rohatgi, and started practicing in Delhi High Court. His friend circle includes the late Finance Minister Shri Arun Jaitley and Rajiv Nair, who were his greatest influence. His father, Justice A.B. Rohatgi, CJI, Y.K. Sabharwal, and M.N. Kapoor, his school principal. What is the greatest learning from the greatest advocate? It's always important to stay calm. Whatever the situation is, we have to keep working hard and keep calm. And the famous case of his life, Manohar Lal Sharma versus Principal Secretary. This case is related to the Colgate scam. It is regarded as the mother of all scams in India. Advocate Mukul Rohatgi appeared in this case. And now our third legal eagle of this book is Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi. He was born on 24th February 1959 in Jodhpur. Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi is a stalwart politician and renowned lawyer. Advocate Singhvi did his schooling in Jodhpur's St. Columba School. He completed his graduation in LLB from Jaipur and PhD from Cornell. Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi has served as the Additional Solicitor General of India and Vice President of Supreme Court Bar Association. So what is the greatest learning from the greatest advocate? living with integrity. He always lived with his values, which is the famous case, the Reliance Industries Limited versus Union of India. This is the very famous case on the issue of arbitration. Now, the next legal eagle is Advocate Arvind Datar. Advocate Arvind Datar, born on 26 September 1956 in Mumbai. He wanted to enter in merchant navy, but eventually he entered in law field. And now what? He is amongst the best lawyers in India. Advocate Arvind P. Datar completed his graduation from Madras Law College. He has also completed a professional course of ICWA, that is Institute of Cost and Works Accounting. He practiced for some time in district court. He has also practiced in small causes court. He became senior at the age of 38. That's really early. Now he is one of the most sought after counsel with respect to disputes in taxation. What is the greatest learning from the great advocate? It does not matter if you decide to be a cobbler. Just make sure that you become the best cobbler in the world. This was the advice received from his senior. His senior was Advocate Natarajan. He has also written one famous book, The Courtroom Genius. This is the biography of the eminent advocate, the legend of legal industry, Nani Palkhiwala. And the famous case of his life, Sahara India Real Estate Corporation Limited and Sahara Housing Investment Corporation Limited versus SEBI, the Securities and Exchange Board of India. This is a very famous Sahara case, and it is a very landmark judgment as well. And now, the next legal eagle of this book, Advocate Aryama Sundaram. He was born on 22nd April 1957 in Chennai. He completed his schooling as well as graduation from Chennai. Advocate Sundaram too got his graduation from Madras Law College. He first worked in an advertising company, but on father's advice, he started his own practice in law. He worked in a law firm, King and Partridge. Now he practices in Supreme Court. What is the greatest learning from the greatest advocate? Every lawyer must have the ability to think correctly. Loyalty is the greatest characteristic which every human being must have. This is the greatest learning by the greatest advocate. The famous case, Sterlite Industries India Limited versus Union of India. This is the environmental protection related case. This is also a very landmark judgment. Now, our next legal eagle is Advocate Prashant Bhushan. Yes, he is the legal activist and a PIL specialist. Born on 15th October 1956, Allahabad. He was born on 15th October in Allahabad. Born in a family of lawyers, his father is well-known advocate Shri Shanti Bhushan, and now he is the Justice of Supreme Court. Advocate Bhushan is an IIT dropout. Interestingly, he chose to do law, and he got enrolled in the Bar Council of Delhi. His first independent case was before Central Excise Tribunal in 1983. PILs were his forte. What is the greatest teaching by the greatest advocate? Shallow men believe in luck, strong men believe in cause and effect. The famous case, Center for Public Interest Litigation versus Union of India. This is the 2G Spectrum case. Now, last but not the least, the legal eagle. He is the Justice of Supreme Court, Justice Rohinton F. Nariman. He was born on 13th August in Mumbai. He completed his schooling from Cathedral and John Cannon School in Mumbai. He graduated in Commerce from SRCC. Graduated in Law from Faculty of Law, Delhi University. Justice Nariman spent 1 year with Advocate Nani Palkhiwala, his father. Further, he started his own practice. Although his father was there to help him in his profession, but he decided to build everything on his own. He was a Solicitor General and now a Supreme Court judge. What is the greatest learning from the Justice of Supreme Court? The single most important aspiration for anybody is that they should be remembered with fondness. You should be remembered that straight, an honest person. Nothing else matters. So, this is how this book is. If you like this book, then please order this book and read it right now. And if you like this video, hit the like button. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Until then, happy reading.